Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish yassa. Start by preparing your fish, ensuring it's clean and cut into manageable pieces. The secret to a flavorful yassa begins with a generous marinade. Combine fresh lemon juice, a good quality Dijon mustard, and a dash of black pepper. Let your fish soak in this mixture for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight for deeper flavor. Don't forget to add plenty of sliced onions, minced garlic, and a few bay leaves to infuse every bite with aromatic goodness. Now, let's move on to the heart of the yassa, the rich onion sauce. In a large pot, gently sauté a generous amount of thinly sliced onions until they become beautifully soft and translucent, taking about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, incorporate the marinated onions and garlic that were with your fish. Stir everything together, then add about 1 cup of water or fish stock to create a luscious, savory base for your dish. With your onion sauce simmering, it's time to cook the fish. You can either pan-fry it until it's beautifully golden brown on both sides, or grill it for a slightly smoky flavor. Once cooked, carefully place the fish into the simmering onion sauce. Let it gently cook together for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the fish to absorb all those wonderful flavors and become incredibly tender. Your delicious fish yassa is now ready to be enjoyed. Traditionally, it's served piping hot alongside a generous portion of fluffy white rice, which perfectly soaks up the rich, tangy sauce. For a final touch, you might garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This classic West African dish offers a truly unique and satisfying culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.